Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 600 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and actually before we'll start, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. To be honest, I highly recommend using Wi-Fi instead of mobile data so you can avoid some charges that are connected with backing up and downloading the data. Alright, so we've got the internet connection, we can go to the settings. Right here, scroll all the way down to find System and Updates, and here tap on the option Backup and Restore. So right here we've got our Google backup section, so make sure that it is turned on. Just tap on the switcher if it is not for some reason, and then tap on backup account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection and enter your screen lock to confirm everything. Here you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it and tap on next. And be patient because sometimes connecting to the server might take a while, so just wait patiently. So here we need to enter the password. So simply do it and tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so either you or your child. Just mark the option and tap on next. Here, Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the shortcut of the backup and storage info. So basically you're able to use 15 gigabytes of Google account to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on. And as you can see, we just successfully added our account here, which means that our device will automatically back up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.